Yo guys, what's up YouTube and everybody out there? Well, look at this car. Just look at it. Just look at the car, man. Look at it. So it looks really good. Not gonna lie. We just came from drifting in the snow, but we were trying to go in a park and it got stuck. Can you believe it? It almost got stuck. The wheels were spinning. You know why? This is two-wheel drive, guys. Forward wheel drive, right? So we had to do a burnout to get out of the spot, and it was, that sucks, right? I wish this was four wheels because this snow would not be any problem. Yeah. Now look at the snow here. It's a deep snow. Yeah, it was like a blizzard a few days ago. But let me just go over the other side of the car and show you guys what's up, right? So if you're new here, new people on this channel, yeah, that's what we're making for the new people. Yeah, for the new people. Look here. We installed these lights, this bumper. It won't shield you from any crash now, but it's just there to hold up those front lights we installed. We have vinyl we installed on these headlights. Yeah, also the cage up top and the freaking awesome bright light. Yeah. Honda CRV. What are you gonna say, bro? Come on, say it. Nothing. Nothing, huh? Okay, so this is the car from this view. We raised it up, 1.5-inch lift. It's on a raise.
It's all dirty right now.
It's all dirty because it's winter. It's very cold. We got these bigger tires.
Look, it's taller than me now.
It's taller than you now.
Yeah, because the lift and the tires, we put 1.5-inch lift kits and 1 inch to the side lift side kit.
And these wheels or tires, I think, are size 2, 15, 75, or no, I don't know. I forgot what it was, dude. Seriously.
It's been long, right?
Yeah, I forgot what these tires. But they're just big tires. That's my point.
Basically, we still haven't finished the back of this because we wanted to get warmer so we could do it. It's freezing, bro. We can do anything on this right now.
Okay, so explain right here what's going on in here.
Oh, well, let me see here.
Explain what's happening there. There's a lot of wood there. Shouldn't belong in a car.
We got the slide racks, what you call them. Here, we're gonna put a cabinet, so it'll pull out.
Little drawer, you mean?
Yeah, and it'll pull out this much. That's good. And what we
pull out game strong.
What we're gonna put in there is this puppy, so it'll be like.
What is that?
It's Coleman grill.
It's a grill, guys. So that's what it is. If you open it up, voila, it's a grill. So this will cook you a lot of stuff. You put a little butane on the side, which we have. Yeah,
we have the butane, but
with that nozzle right there, hooks onto that stove.
But what I'm trying to say is, it'll pull out.
Pull out game, yeah.
Pull out game. It's easy, you just pull out, and then you stick it back in to storage,
Yeah, and then explain the situation up top. What's this whole platform for? What's going on?
This platform is, yes, we can lay on it, sleep on it. It folds in to the car. We got the 2 seats that can fold. We got the back seat, that can fold, and we fold this in. And it's like a platform you can sleep on.
If you take this stuff off.
Yeah, right now it's folded in, so it won't get in the way, and we could fit passengers.
See, it's folded onto itself. There's this, the upper part opens up.
It folds into the car.
Yeah, into that car front passenger seats area. So you got long, very long plank of boards you could, sleep in like that. Yeah.
Oh, I'm gonna fall.
Damn, my hands are cold, but yes.
The platform is so strong.
It is.
It doesn't even buckle. It doesn't move. So it doesn't move because we strapped it down. Show them.
Man, it's crazy.
We strapped them down.
It's crazy how there's people way over there. Holy crap, my camera can zoom that much. There's people out there sliding on that hill. Yo, this camera can zoom in so much.
Wow.
Holy crap, that's good.
All right. Well, back to the car.
Yes.
In the summer or when it gets warmer, we're gonna finish this puppy up, and then we're gonna travel. We're gonna make traveling videos of this.
Here, turn on the car, yo.
How other people make, you know, they camp out and shit.
Yeah, they camp out and all that good stuff.
Right
They get
now,
so much views.
This would have been perfect in the snow, camping out, but we don't have it set up.
Yeah, bro.
It's cold, man.
It is.
Do anything on this.
Turn on the car. It's cold.
Why do you want to turn it on?
It's snowing, as you can see. A few flurries here and there. Just yesterday, it was like 9 inches of snow. So yeah, guys, this is an older car. You know, he turned on the light. There's the lights there. This is an older car. Has like 193K.
And also, we're gonna change this.
Miles, yeah.
We'll change this in the future. We'll record. Whatever we're gonna do, we're sure to record. But right now, as I said, we can't do anything else. It's cold. But we're still making this video, right? To the new viewers.
Yes. So if you have a Honda CRV, I have a playlist. I'll be putting it right here or right there. It doesn't matter where it goes. A playlist so you guys can view what we did to this car. If you have Honda CRV. And what we're gonna do in the future, yes. So here we have it, you know.
It's a great car, you know. It's a great car, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. We'll have more for you coming up. And yeah, that's all I gotta say.
Yo!